Hello everybody, it is me, DJ Games, and welcome back to another video where today I am playing Build Boat for Treasure because, you guys liked it. So, I guess I just have to make it then because that's my job. So let's start building. First we need to delete this. Okay, for today our goal is to build some kind of car maybe. I don't know. I don't have wheels or anything. But I'm gonna try to make some wheels. Come on. And I hope this is gonna work. Come on. Yay! It's working much better than last time I played this. Okay. This, good. Now we need this. This is a very ugly car. And a very glitched out car. So let's just build this part, this part, this part, and this part. Then it's just easy. No, I'm stuck in the ground. No, I don't want to be stuck in the ground. Nobody likes to be stuck in the ground. I'm just trying to be Peppa Pig. Seriously, I love Peppa Pig. I mean, it's just the best thing ever. Who doesn't like Peppa Pig? Well, maybe you guys don't. I mean, what's wrong with her? I mean, no, I'm not letting people join my team because sometimes they're just annoying and just press any button they see, so we just fly off into nowhere. Okay, the wheels. No, I'm not letting you join my team. Seriously. Okay, no, that's not good. That's not good at all. We need it to be lined up much better. I think this is good. No, that's not good. Why is this so hard? Come on, now! Okay, this is perfect. Now I know exactly how this car is gonna be. Okay, now we're done with the car. Well, we're not done with the car, but we need 2 seats. No, that's the wrong way around. Okay, seats, you have to be like that. No. Seat, you have to be like 1, 2, 3. There. No, why did we make 2? Well, we need 2 when... Oh my god, seriously. Okay, you. 3. Like that. This is a perfect car. Okay, now we need a roof. Well, we need doors. Not doors. We need windows. That's what we need. I mean, I don't care if I build a block inside a block. I'm just pretty annoyed on just fixing that because I don't want to fix it. We have to fix it that way. Okay, good. That actually looks pretty good. Now we need windows. Okay, window number 1. Window number 2. Window number 3. No, we need to fix that. With this. No, that's not gonna work. We need to fix that with this. Wood. Literally just wood. You can do a lot of stuff with wood. No, I don't want to delete that. Now, why does that block always go into that block? Well, I don't care anymore. I'm just gonna build it like this. And we only need 1 more block. And we have 1 more block, so that's good. Well, we need 2 more blocks. Actually, we actually need 2 more blocks. That's not good. Stop building. Let's build it there. And now, we're basically done. And now, wait, no. We need this. And like that. Okay, that's good. That's good. Perfect. Now, without a roof. Oh, we can make a roof. No. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, this is good. Okay, so now let's launch the car. That looks very weird. Oh my god, seriously. Put down one block without noticing. But this looks good. I mean, it's not that bad, I think. Well, I hope it's not that bad. Now, finally, we can do something. Okay, some people are saying noob and car I'm in the chat. Okay, I don't even know who they're talking to. Wait, car. Oh, they're a car too, or they are saying that I'm a car. Well, I'm not a car. I'm riding a car. Okay, so let's see how far we get in the car that's not supposed to be able to drive on water. But doesn't matter, because if we get gold for this, then it's always worth it. Oh, this area is very spooky. Oh, okay. I wonder what next one's gonna be. Oh, okay. Metal stuff. Cogwheels and stuff, you know. Okay. I don't think we can get to the end, though. I mean, the end is gonna take ages to get there. A very long time. And our boat's probably not gonna even make it to, like, the end so we can actually get gold. Because there's gold, like, in the end. Well. Seriously? Seriously. When are we gonna reach our goal? No, I'm not gonna accept your friend request. Oh, our car doesn't look that good. Oh no. Oh no, we're gonna sink any second now. I mean, if our car sinks and there's a rock nearby, then we can maybe like jump a little closer, because you know you can jump a little on rocks. Uh-oh. That wasn't good. What's happening? Uh-oh. What's going on? Oh. Well, that didn't help much. That didn't even help much. When are we gonna reach the end? We've been in like a lot of places. Is this like chocolate? Is this chocolate cake? Are we on a chocolate cake right now? Are these Oreos? No. I don't even know where they are. And lollipops. Well, oh, no, now it's just boring rocks and water, basically. That's not even fun. That's not even fun. Uh-oh. That doesn't look that nice. No, 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 that shark killed me. No. No. We failed. That wasn't good. That means just one thing. We have to build the highest tower in the world. Come on. Let's build the highest tower in the world. Okay. No, we failed. We failed. It doesn't matter because we could just do this. And now we've basically trapped ourselves in here. Stars. No. Okay, now let's just do this launch about. No. 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 I don't want to fail again. I don't want to fail again. Yay. Yay, now we can walk freely. But if I come to those like huge wave parts, I'm gonna die. I didn't even think about that. Well, it doesn't matter. Exactly. It doesn't matter that much. I mean, we have stars and we have anvils. We have a lot of stuff. Can we just jump up there? Oh well, now it's too late to try. But we could have tried to jump up there. I wonder when we're gonna die, because this doesn't look that good. Uh-oh. No, that was an accident. No, I accidentally killed myself. Actually, I was just trying to walk into the stars and they threw me off. Well, I guess that's just goodbye then. So please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And on 50 subscribers, I'm doing a Roblox gift card giveaway. So bye. Wait, bye.